Hello everyone, I'm Clover. Welcome to Mini Yummy.
Yes, that's it.
Okay, let's go home.
I went to the field and caught some delicious crabs. Crab must be prepared under the faucet. Look, it's very dirty and sandy. I remove the shell and discard it. The crab should be cut in half. Now, we prepare some vegetables for the dish. Cut the scallions into pieces about 0.5 centimeters long. Chop onion and garlic. Next, let's move on to the cooking part. I melted some jaggery. Then add the minced onion, garlic, and spices to the pan. Paprika and salt are two spices that are used in this recipe frequently. Then add the crab when the sauce is boiling. Don't forget the lime leaves and scallions. The soul of the dish is here. Try cooking this recipe. I'm sure you won't be disappointed. Ta-da! Put Coca-Cola inside the crab. And cook it for about 10 minutes. Oh my god, I forgot to cook rice. To save time, I will cook on the stove instead of the rice cooker. The rice grains look so white and pliable. Yummy! Must be eaten while hot, hot and hot. Enjoy with me, guys. The crab pieces are very crispy and full of spices. Eating rice with this sauce is also great. Oh, I regret that I cooked a little less today. Thank you for watching. Please like and share to support me. I will bring more interesting videos.